गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू किंग डेविड एरियल। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, टुडे 9th अप्रैल 15 days ago, 15 days and night ago, and nearby here, National Press Club, Islamabad, I protest here, remove the hateful message from Pakistani passport for Israel. I love Jerusalem because Jerusalem is magical God place. You know, in Pakistan, nearby 10 million people love with Israel and have a Zionist theme. I want to friendship between Pakistan and Israel. 7 years ago, I make peaceful voice for friendship, for peace, for friendship between countries. This time, I protest because government Pakistan blocked my passport because I want to friendship between Pakistan and Israel. uh, I face very hurdles these days. Also, I face very hurdles from 7 years, 2,557 days ago. I face very hurdles because of this issue. I want to friendship between Pakistan and Israel. My soul, spiritual soul, and I am businessman. When I earn from my business, I spend for the peace. And third one, I'm social worker uh, on political issues in the world. Be with us on digital world.